Buenos dias, everyone. So it's a new day. It's a Saturday, and we are gonna have my little sobrina's baptism, and Celeste is actually in charge of all of the pastries. So I'm gonna just help her with like one. Oh my gosh, who is at the door? I don't know. I'll go check. Oh, of course, a package. Sorry. So yeah, we're gonna do a little tiny decorating because I told my sister that I could help her. Okay, so to your right, I think this is your right, there's some caramel sticks right there. My sister's making cake pops, little caramel pretzel thingies. I'm just gonna help her put this together. Boom. It's a little angel, by the way. I don't know if you can see. So it's like a mold that she bought. This is a chocolate angel and a chocolate frame. First, you can make the paint just a tiny bit. Yeah, just a tiny bit. Just like dunk the brush in it and then no. Okay, whatever. Dunk the brush in the gold. Looks like eyeshadow. And then no, put it back in the bowl. What? And then dunk it back in the powder and then dunk it back in the bowl. If you do all your work on the chocolate, it's gonna get frustrating. So mix it before you put it on there. And then just test it on the wing and see if it looks thick enough. And if not, you dip back in the powder. That looks good. Es que my sister didn't want to use these because she messed up on this one. The palo is backwards. Y luego dijo que no le gustaba porque it looks too bumpy. Pero le dije con el angelito arriba del chocolate no se va a ver those bumps. So that's why she left them on the side. Pero mira, a ver. Me lo puedo comer yo. Y lo puedes poner como en la esquina para que nadie lo vea. Y ya Because you did a lot of work and I don't want you to throw it away. You glue one thing at a time. Yeah, no, I'm just deciding which one. Maybe like that one, like this, and like that. Perfect. We fixed it. We fixed the issue. Little vanilla extract. If you guys don't follow my sister, she has a baking page on Instagram. She's very talented. Thanks. She found these molds off of Amazon, right? So if you guys are like, where did she get the chocolate angels? She had to make them herself, and she bought the chocolate from Amazon as well. So pretty. I don't want to lean it too much, but it's there, guys. It's there. Our salsa on the table. Do you want me to move them to a box or something? Okay guys, I did that. Woohoo! Correction, I did that. Well, I did the box and the decorating. No, yeah, like, looks really good. The bows and packaging. You made it look way more elevated. Looks great. Yay. Pretzel bags! Yay. The exciting thing. Okay, no, it doesn't look too cute right now. Hey guys, so it is a couple days later and we are trying to clean up the house right now because we have a lot of family coming and I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, why can't I do this? I'll lean you against the basket. So I'm doing laundry right now because I want my room to be clean. I'm trying to clean the house and my sister is still baking right now. And some family gets here tonight and some of them get here tomorrow. It's gonna be really exciting. We never really throw parties like this, so it's just really exciting to see a lot of my family come together for an event. But yeah, at this very moment, I'm just finishing up laundry. And then I need to... What else do I need to do? I also need to paint my nails. Oh my gosh. I haven't done them in a while. And I need to paint my toenails. Okay, so my next project with my sister, I'm going to have to fill these cups up with crumbs of vanilla wafers. And we already made Oreo ones and a strawberry cheesecake one. Okay, so Celeste is on the egg whites over here. And then I'm on the sugar, which I haven't really been doing. I've just been mixing it up. Yeah, I've been monitoring it. This is the thermometer that my chef from Disney, Chef Alicia, gave me. Gosh, everything's wrong. FBI knocks on our door. It's because yesterday at work, me and Celeste were alone at the restaurant and we managed to almost lose an FBI agent's credit card.
And I was like, what in the world? This would happen to us. Anyways, we found his card at the end. It was just stuck to another little charola from another tray.
And they didn't open up all the trays, and they thought that we like lost it
or gave it to someone else.
Basically, the old people just didn't check, and yeah,
it has to be at 240, everyone.
240
in case you're trying to make Italian buttercream. Mándame.
People say that if you stare at it longer, it takes longer.
Okay, I'm not. Okay, so mi hermana me encargó de poner todo este butter in here. Okay, I'm taking out the mics so that we can sound professional and look professional.
Yeah. All right, let's get to crumb coating.
Wow, we look like Laura Vitale.
We're fulfilling our fantasies of
our childhood fantasies. Okay, I'll bring the other tripod while you talk to him.
Oh my god. The plan for this cake is for it to be 2-tiered, so this better be good. My plan is to make a really tall cake. I don't really like the look of shorter cakes that much.
All right, guys, we're doing the pouring.
So right now we're pouring the sugar and the egg whites, and this is what's gonna cook the egg, but not scramble, of course. And we're gonna let this, whip until it gets to nice meringue.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna start baking. What? No, we're decorating the icing.
We're gonna start decorating. So my plan is, like I said, we're gonna make a 2-tiered cake.
This is so weird. Welcome to our baking show.
Okay, by the magic of editing, I've already made all of these loveliness. So put a blob of icing down here first.
Where? From here?
No, from the back.
Oh, here? Mm-hmm. How much?
Just a little bit. Okay, beautiful.
Aw, so cute.
Alrighty, let me grab from my toolbox. Okay, you're gonna take a tiny offset just for fun. Okay, all right. We're gonna stick the first layer down. Whoop. So the reason why I have 2 boards is I'm gonna have this as my top layer, but to make it easier for decorating, I put it on a larger board so I can take the cake to the fridge and back. Anyways, we have this going on, and I'm just gonna put buttercream. There's no special filling for this cake, and it's still really good.
Yeah, it is really good.
I have people tell me this is the best icing they've ever had.
Our icing is really like not too sweet. It's good.
Try Italian meringue buttercream. Wow. I promise it's gonna step your game up if you're looking into starting something like this. Don't do American buttercream. It's lame. People aren't gonna be surprised. They're not gonna be wowed. And it's hard because you need something that helps you stand out. So what's gonna make them want to buy from you if they can get something at Walmart? And this is why, you know? At the end of the day, you're eating it, so your flavors can speak for itself.
So we're doing the banana pudding cups right now. And the cake we put on pause, right, Tata?
Yeah, it's in the fridge.
It's in the fridge.
Wow, that's good. I know it. Oh yeah, yeah.
With all our vitamins in the background.
Oh yeah. Under the table.
I love these almonds. They're so good, guys.
Okay, you can actually squeeze in here.
I think it's good.
It's gonna fart. No,
it's not farting. Then it's gonna waste it.
Okay, here. What? Okay. You got one more. Oh.
My God! What the heck is that? How did we get?
That's never happened to me in my life.
Just stick to your day job, okay?
Because I don't know.
Sponsored by Nilla Wafers.
Sponsors, please.
So it's the next day, and Celeste is now doing the cake.
I'm helping.
for emotional support. We're gonna have this sign on top of it with Elora's name. How beautiful. Ay Dios. We have T-minus 3 hours. Algo así.
It's 12:30.
12:30. But it has to be ready in like an hour. So we can get ready. I think, but you're almost done, right?
Yeah, I am almost done. It's literally just putting the sign in.
Love it. Looks good, Tate.
Oh, we need to put the gold leaf on it.
Oh, that's important.
So it's very fragile. I have to like, okay, be very careful.
We are just trying to get everything ready before we head out to the baptism. Like I was saying, we need to get ready like maybe in an hour. I want to do like a get ready with me too, so. A ver si se puede.
Wait, where'd I put it?
Oh, okay, let me help her real quick. Hasmin, come here.
We need your expertise.
Maybe like something, I don't know.
Like, ooh, that's cute. Here.
Okay, Chris, you want to head to the vlog?
Yeah.
Runs away.
Cheek. The little baby piece like up. Yeah.
Side seam.
Hey guys, okay, so I'm whispering because Adrian's actually here and he's just napping, but I'm gonna iron my dress. Y este es el vestido que me voy a poner. It's a linen pink dress. Got it from Dillard's. It's super cute and it's long. It's very cute and I thought it was just a cute spring color dress. Appropriate for Elora's Bautizo. But I'm just gonna get this ironed and I'm gonna do my makeup very quickly. I want to do a TikTok, get ready with me, so if you guys follow me on TikTok, you'll probably have seen it already. And yes, I was looking up on TikTok how to properly iron linen because I don't want to burn this dress and I want it to look good. I know linen se arruga super fácil, but I don't want to look crazy. This dress all wrinkly.
Make sure that I'm gonna flatten that part that was just ironed. So as you can see now,
I don't want 100% linen. What?
¿Te ayudó? Yes, ya lo miré. Muy bien, bienvenido. Descanse, mijo, tranquilo, está en su casa. Ok. Bastantito agua, más agua. Puta, está altísimo tu caballo. Te voy a cobrar.
Me salió mi mamá.
O sea, tu mamá la mencionas hasta en la sopa y luego todavía.
This is my hair. I put some clips in it and we only have like 15 minutes to get ready. Typical us. Get ready with me to go to my niece's baptism. We're running really late, so this is gonna be like the quickest makeup of my life. It's probably just gonna be something really basic and boring. Okay, so we're finally in the car. We have, is that really timed, the real time?
Yeah.
Oh my, we have 3 minutes.
Well, it's maybe like a few minutes ahead.
These girls taking their sweet precious time. Oh my god. Oh, but this is the finished makeup. I don't know if I showed you guys, but it's just super simple.
I'm your Uber. Get in.
Hurry! Brother.
Of the evil one.
Okay, so we just got to the venue and we brought the goods like agua topo chico. What? Yeah, we brought that stuff and we brought the alcohol. It's really cute. It's really like tiny and intimate.
Wow. It looks so good.
It looks so good in here, Noah. Yeah. It looks so good. No.
Who's here?
Cheesecake. So good. get those.
That looks so good.
Hold on, wait. I'll throw something to take the edge off.
Allegedly it's good.
Hola, mi amor.